In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete all game data on Steam. Whether you're looking to free up storage space, clean up your game library, or start over with a fresh installation, this tutorial will walk you through the process from beginning to end. Just keep in mind that uninstalling your games will remove their local installation, so make sure you're certain before proceeding. To get started, open the Steam application on your computer. Once the application is running, look toward the upper right corner and click the Login button if you aren't already signed in. Enter your account name and password, then click Sign In to access your account. Double-check that your login information is correct before continuing to avoid any unnecessary delays. If you've forgotten your password, use Steam's Account Recovery option before moving on. After you've successfully logged in, you'll arrive at the Steam homepage. From here, look toward the upper left corner of the window and click on the Steam menu. A drop-down menu will appear with several options for managing your account and Steam settings. From this list, select Settings to open the main configuration window. Inside the Settings menu, locate and click on the Storage section. This area displays the storage location Steam uses, along with a list of the games currently installed on your computer. It's also where you can manage installed games and see how much disk space each one occupies, making it easier to decide what you'd like to remove. Now it's time to select the games you want to uninstall. If your goal is to remove all installed games, select every game listed in the storage section. Depending on your operating system, you may be able to select multiple games by holding the Shift or Control key while clicking. Take a moment to verify your selection before continuing, especially if there are games you'd like to keep installed. With all of your games selected, locate the Uninstall option and click it to begin the removal process. Steam will start uninstalling each selected game from your computer. Keep in mind that this removes the local game installations and any local game data associated with them. If some games store save files locally, those may also be removed as part of the uninstall process. Once the uninstall process is complete, your installed game library will be cleared, giving you additional storage space and a clean slate for future installations. If you decide to play these games again later, you can always reinstall them from your Steam library, provided they're still associated with your account. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to delete all game data on Steam by uninstalling your installed games. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you manage your Steam storage more effectively. I'll see you in the next tutorial.